Page 319. This is number 4 at the bottom of the page, called Etude. Looks like a lot of eighth notes on a penny scale or 5-finger scale. Just going up and down and wherever. Okay. So try and play it. Just see if you can read it and see what you can do with it. I'm going to go through the process, though, for learning a piece of music that I use. So look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble, bass, clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. So we're either in C major or A minor. If we look at the end, we're here. Sounds like A minor to me. Do the scales and arpeggios for both C major and A minor. 4/4 time signatures. Take it one hand at a time. Right hand, we're here. It's just a penny scale. 1 and 2. That's pretty much it. Left hand's broken chords. Alberti bass, a 1 chord, a 5/7 chord. So much for the out one. Put them together then. See, the trick there is the end of the second measure. They switched you. You got it. You think B's next. He didn't do B. Not my fault. He did hit it. Something like that. I go a little fast because I've been doing this forever. You take it slow and easy at your speed, and then go back over and get rid of the hesitations. Once all that's okay, then I think about the articulation. Here it's connected in the right hand with an accent on the measure 4. Play that C a little louder. That's all. Left hand, they don't give you anything. So it's your choice. Try both. Try them connected. Try them disconnected. Try both. Experiment a little bit. Be bold. Be wild. Try things out. Now, if he really absolutely wanted you to connect those things, then probably he would have put it in. He would have put in legato, the word telling you to connect it, or he could have put in slurs for it or something. Then dynamics. So the only one they give you is MF, is mezzo forte. It's going to be for the right hand. That's going to make that one accent note loud. That's just sort of heavy, and I'm just kind of rolling here. I'm not holding the hand still and trying to use fingers. No. Transfer away from finger to finger. The wrist will do whatever the wrist does. I don't pay attention. Most of the time it'll go in a circle, but it does it all by itself. I didn't tell it to. The left hand has got to be softer than the right. We want to hear the right hand. Something like that. We want to hear the right hand. Don't forget the natural accents. 1, 2, 3. The left. The wrist claps a little bit on them. Helps a little bit. Then the speed is allegro, which is fast, but the eighth notes need to be controlled and even. Don't go. No, it's control. Somebody else would take it at a different speed. It's fine with me. I don't care, because everybody will play it a little bit different. If yours fast as this, because this, if that's your fast, that's good enough. It's got to be accurate, in my opinion. So there are teachers who say, forget accuracy, I want to feel it. What does that feel like? And they do the best you can. I go the other way. I want it to be accurate, and then I can feel it in the accuracy. It's hard to explain. I'm just encouraging you to please try and be accurate with this. Don't get sloppy. It's too easy to... Now, under here, they want you to transpose this to G minor. We're in A minor. They want to go down to G minor. G minor has 2 flats, B flat and an E flat. And because it's a minor, the 7th step, we're using a harmonic minor. We're going to use F sharps. So in this, see the 1, the 5/7 chord we're using? Yeah, and then the here, instead of here, we're here. That's basically what it is. G minor. Go down, let's try D minor. D minor has one flat, B flat, but we're going to use C sharps. Here in the D minor. Yeah. Try some other things. You want to get wild? How about F sharp minor? F sharp minor has 3 sharps, and we're using an E sharp for the 5th. And the fingering, you do. I mean, just whatever, to pick something and have some fun with it. Again, the more you play around with this, especially something like this, because you're not moving around, you're in a 5-finger position, and you kind of get accustomed to playing these different keys and hearing the different harmonies. Transpose it to all the minor keys. Not at the same time, of course, you understand. Okay. However, let's play this together very slowly as it's written and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. Now on this one, even though it's got 8th notes all over, I went ahead and put the metronome on quarter notes because hopefully these 8th notes are not causing you a problem. If they are, it's probably time to go back through and do the whole book again, review everything again, at least the technical stuff. I'll give us 4 counts. Did I say that? I can't remember. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1. Rest.